There it goes. Got it. Is that your phone?
Yeah, my phone.
The phone went just as I cracked your. That's what happens when you adjust the collarbone, is it makes a funny horn. I'm really happy to have Mario here today. He came all the way from Toronto, and he came down with a colleague of yours, or a friend,
buddy
right?
of mine. He
Yeah.
did some business.
And you said, while I'm in town, I'm going to see this chiropractor I've seen on YouTube. So here you are.
Yeah, we made it.
He's been an athlete his whole life. He played in hockey leagues for 35 years, and you're also a master tile installer.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So he installs the tiles that are in kitchens, bathrooms, subways, train stations, everything, right?
Everywhere you see tile, yeah.
Yeah, you've done
Malls,
it. Yeah. But that's very physical, and you're down on the ground, and it hurts your back and neck sometimes, and you do get pain at the base of your neck, right?
Right now, yes.
Yeah. So let's get started. Let's get working on him. You've had a life of a lot of injuries and pain, and from being so physical. Physical in your sports, and physical in your work. Where are some of your worst spots today? So you have the base of the neck.
Yeah, and it's affecting.
And where else?
It's affecting sort of my right shoulder.
Okay, right shoulder.
So I know it's not really there, but.
And how about lower back? Does your lower back
lower
ever get
back right now it's pretty good.
Okay. Mid back.
Mid back.
All right, we got to do the mid back.
Mid back and high up.
All right.
Wow.
Well, let's get cracking.
And my left ankle.
And his left ankle. I'm gonna first lift this arm. You see how it doesn't want to come up much higher than that? Do you feel that?
Yeah, it's getting
okay,
stuck.
I'm holding your shoulder blade down because I don't want you to recruit your shoulder blade any more than natural. And look, this one comes up though. Do you see?
Yeah.
So this one, not great, but this one comes up to his head. So this side does not do the same thing. That's probably as far as I can. Do you agree?
Yeah, it stops right there.
It kind of stops right there.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we got to work on this guy. So let's start to release some stuff. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is release your collarbone, and you can even see how high the collarbone is here. Did you ever break that one?
You know what? I think when I was 8,
yeah,
I fell. Maybe something happened.
And this one's flat, how it should be, and this one's coming right through. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah.
Let's change like this whole thing here is coming out of the skin. This one doesn't do it on this side, but this side is. You probably damaged that at some point.
Wow, that's powerful.
It's powerful.
Never had that.
Getting up a little higher, right?
Yeah.
Right? Do you feel it come up?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do more. Now I'm gonna come under here and get this horrible muscle. Right in there. And that's horrible, isn't it? Right there.
Yeah.
That really hurts. Okay, relax your back so you don't twist your back. Okay. All right. So sit up again. And you're gonna push this up and pull it down. And I just want motion in here. And push that up and pull it down.
Oh.
Push it up and pull it down. Push it up and pull it down. Good. Now watch, sit up. Ready? Comes up now.
Yeah.
Good. Let's adjust that collarbone, okay? So now you're gonna lie on your back here. Do you see the difference already? It's starting to move.
Yeah.
No, but we still get that collarbone's really messed up. Come down a little more. And you can bend your knees and put your feet right here. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is get on that shoulder and collarbone together. So I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna grab this side of my hand is on his collarbone. Leave the hand up here.
Mm-hmm.
Is that your phone?
Yeah, my phone. We'll put it on vibration.
Well, the phone went just as I cracked your. But did you hear a crack?
Yeah, I heard the crack.
Yeah.
Like a couple.
Yeah. Turn off your phone. Also turn off the ringer, okay?
Yeah. Sorry.
That's what happens when you adjust the collarbone, is it makes a funny horn. We're gonna keep going, there's more to do. So scoot down. And I'm gonna do the front of the shoulder and the chest. So the pec minor comes from the shoulder to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th rib. So I'm gonna be on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th rib here. And right in there. And then I'm gonna work up towards the shoulder. And you can feel that, right?
Oh yeah, it's painful.
Good.
I don't realize until you actually touch it.
There's another spot.
Oh.
Okay, now we try it again. It's coming up. Leave your head down.
Is that not like typical?
Well, you know, you've
Yeah.
done a lot with your body. Between work and 35 years of hockey leagues, it's a lot, right?
Yeah, and things are being neglected.
Well, think about it. Like, if you're playing the NHL, you have the trainers and the massage and the ice and the physical therapists and every doctor. They have a whole team to work on you every day.
Yeah.
A team of medics, right? A team of medical staff. And you get everything you need. But probably at the leagues you played at, they didn't have that much medical staff, right?
No, we're not in NHL.
Yeah. So they didn't have that availability to you. So if you got hurt, you'd put some tape on it and keep going,
just
right?
patch and keep on.
Yeah, patch it up and keep going. That's that upper. We're gonna keep going. There's more to do.
Yeah.
And there's your hip. There's your other hip.
I feel with this ankle,
Yeah.
like the heel is a little bit stiffer. Like it's not moving freely as much. And
Bend that knee. There, it's moving now. Okay. Good.
a little bit harder to work with.
There it goes. There's more. Feel that one?
Yeah.
Lie on your side facing this way.
I think the right goes better than the left, but
All right. So that's the left, so let's go to the right.
yeah.
That one, right?
Up here.
Yeah. All right. So now lie on your belly. You okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you get tight all through here. I don't think these have moved in a while.
No.
Let it fall over just a little bit. There it goes. Got it. You hear it?
Yeah.
Tilt your head this way just a little bit.
Oh.
Whew.
Yeah, because I find when I go to sleep, if I lie on my back, I'm okay. But when I sleep on my side, my hands are falling asleep.
Yeah, and that can come from your neck.
So it's, yeah.
So lie on your back next. That section here in this upper part of your back,
Yeah.
I can get that with the Y strap or the towel.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try the Y strap first because they're just compressed, and over the years they've lost their range of motion, so now they're a little calcified.
Calcified, stiff, yeah.
Stiff, right? All right, big breath in, blow it out. So that pulled all through those bones. Did you feel?
Yeah, I felt the...
Did it crack a little bit?
A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah.
Stand up and walk around, see how you feel. We cracked a lot of spots on you today. And I got that occiput with the lift. With the occiput lift, the seated one. Walk around just for a minute.
It's loosening up.
Yeah.
You know, a little bit everywhere. Way more flexibly everywhere.
Did the Y strap get a little releases or a little separation?
A little, but you know, I'm so stiff and hard.
Yeah, and
right
I think
now.
your body kind of fused a little bit.
Yeah.
Like some sections of your spine feel like they naturally fuse for protection.
Yeah, I'm on defense.
And what happens is the body protects itself by hardening and solidifying and stabilizing. But what happens to you is you lose your flexibility and those bones stop sliding and moving like they'd like to.
Yeah.
So I was able to break it up a little bit. If you do too much, you injure the person. So you have to be careful. Someone like you, I know you live all the way in Toronto, but it would benefit for you to see a different chiropractor or come back to me if you're in town and do a couple of treatments when you are here. Release it.
Loosened up big time.
Yeah, and you needed that. And that you work with that shoulder.
And that's just one visit, right?
Yeah. All right, thanks everybody. Is that your phone?
Yeah, my phone.
The phone went just as I cracked your eye. That's what happens when you adjust the collarbone, is it makes a funny horn.